We guide you through how to fix App Store not downloading apps on iPhone. So, first, check your internet connection by opening Safari and loading a website. If your connection is unstable, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, restart your iPhone to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. After restarting, open the App Store and try downloading the app again. If it still doesn't work, check your iPhone storage by going to Settings, General, and iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough free space for new apps. You should also check if the App Store is having issues by checking Apple's system status page. Another fix is to sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. And go to Settings, tap your name, scroll down, and select Sign Out. Then log in again and retry the download. And finally, make sure your iPhone software is updated by going to Settings, General, and Software Update. These steps should help fix App Store download problems and get your app installing normally again.